Hey there, friends. I'm Pharmacist Michael, and today we're talking about one of the most annoying symptoms out there, a persistent cough. Whether it's keeping you up at night, distracting you at work, or just wearing you out, I've got you covered in this video. We'll dive into the best medications available to stop a cough, from over-the-counter options to prescriptions, as well as natural remedies. I'll go over their pros, cons, dosages, side effects, and even addiction potential. So let's get started. Before you pick a medication, it's essential to understand your cough. A dry cough is a non-productive cough that doesn't bring up mucus. This is often caused by irritation or inflammation. A wet cough is a productive cough that clears mucus or phlegm, usually from a respiratory infection. Different medications target different types of coughs, so let's match the right treatment to your symptoms. Let's start with Dextromethorphan. Dextromethorphan is one of the most common over-the-counter options for dry cough. It works by suppressing the cough reflex in your brain. The pros are, it's available without a prescription. It's non-drowsy at recommended doses, and it's great for mild to moderate dry coughs. The cons are, it doesn't address the underlying cause of the cough, and it can be misused in high doses for its euphoric effect. For adults, the dose is 10 to 20 milligrams every 4 hours, or 30 milligrams every 6 to 8. Extended release, it's 60 milligrams every 12 hours. Side effects are generally mild, and are drowsiness, dizziness, and nausea. It has a low addiction profile when taken as directed, but misuse in large amounts can lead to dependence or abuse. The second drug is Benzonatate, also known as Tessalon Perles. This is a prescription-only medication that numbs the throat and airways to reduce the urge to cough. The pros are, it's non-sedating and effective for stubborn dry coughs. The cons are, it requires a prescription. Capsules must be swallowed whole. Chewing them can cause numbness in the mouth or throat. The dose for adults is 100 to 200 milligrams up to 3 times a day, and the side effects are nausea, dizziness, and a numb sensation in the mouth if chewed. Benzonatate is non-addictive and non-habit forming. Now let's go to codeine-based cough syrups. Codeine is an opiate used in prescription cough syrups. It's very effective for severe dry coughs. The pros are potent cough suppression. It can help with sleep if coughing keeps you awake. But the cons? It requires a prescription and close monitoring. Codeine can cause drowsiness, constipation, and nausea. For adults, the dose is 10 to 20 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours as needed. The addiction potential of codeine is high. It's an opiate and can be habit-forming, so it's usually prescribed for short-term use. And then we have hydrocodone-based cough suppressants. Hydrocodone, often combined with other ingredients like antihistamines, is another prescription opiate used for severe dry coughs. The pros, it's extremely effective for unrelenting coughs, often combined with ingredients that address additional symptoms, like runny nose or congestion. But the cons are, it has high potential for addiction. It can cause sedation, making it unsafe for daytime use. Dosage is 5 ml, 10 milligrams of hydrocodone every 12 hours or so. Side effects are drowsiness, nausea, constipation, dizziness, and again, the addiction profile is very high. This medication should only be used under strict medical supervision. Now let's talk about medications for wet cough. First, we have guaifenesin or Mucinex. Guaifenesin is an over-the-counter expectorant that helps thin mucus, making it easier to cough up. The pros are, it's widely available and affordable. It's effective for wet, chesty coughs. But the cons? It doesn't suppress coughing, so it won't help if the coughing is keeping you awake. Dose is 200 to 400 milligrams every 4 hours, or 600 to 1200 milligrams extended release every 12 hours. Side effects include nausea, headache, and dizziness. Its addiction profile is 0. It's safe for long-term use as needed. Number 2 is acetylcysteine or mucomist. This is a prescription mucolytic that breaks down mucus, making it easier to clear your airways. The pros are, it's excellent for thick, sticky mucus. It's often used in chronic respiratory conditions like COPD. The cons are it requires a prescription and has a strong sulfur-like taste. Dosage varies depending on the condition. You must follow your doctor's instructions. Side effects: nausea, vomiting, and an unpleasant taste. It doesn't have any addiction potential, as it's not habit forming. Prefer to avoid medications? Here are some natural remedies. Honey. Honey soothes the throat and can reduce coughing. Take a teaspoon or mix it with warm tea. Peppermint tea. This opens airways and reduces throat irritation. Steam therapy helps loosen mucus in wet coughs. And ginger tea, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is great for soothing a sore throat. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. For dry coughs, start with Dextromethorphan or Benzonatate, and consider prescription options like Codeine or Hydrocodone for severe cases. For wet coughs, go for guaifenesin or talk to your doctor about acetylcysteine. And don't forget, you can always pair these with natural remedies like honey or tea for added relief. Remember, a cough can be more than just a nuisance. It's your body's way of protecting your airways. If your cough lasts more than a week, worsens, or is accompanied by other symptoms like fever or shortness of breath, make sure to see your doctor. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pharmacist-approved tips for happy, healthy living. Take care, and I'll see you next time. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.